Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about promotions, discounts, savings, okay? On and off I'll do an unbox and sometimes I do maintenance on my car, but other than that we're just looking for discounted items, okay? So in this specific video we're talking about this iPad mini. If you guys are in the market for an iPad mini or iPad, this is the latest 2021 iPad mini, and this is the Wi-Fi version. And as you can see here, the discount is like 18%. Regular price $499. Now you can get it for $409, and they do have different colors, and they're all on sale. And this is, I really like the design of this one. It's like kind of like a larger version of your iPhone. Okay. And here I give you a little bit more detail. It'll work with the Apple Pencil. The screen size is 8.3 Liquid Retina. The latest chip, A15. Camera 12 megapixels. Battery probably lasts all day long. And it does have Touch ID. This is the back side of it. And there you go. That's pretty much it. And as we look at the review, it's like 3,403 and like 5 out of 5. So pretty good right there. For those of you who's looking for more storage, you can pay I think $150 more for the 256. So here, maybe regular price. It's $599. Let's see. I thought I saw cheaper. Okay, so the gray one is $549. So and the other one is regular price. Wow, weird. But oh well. So so the space gray and the starlight, you get $100 off. So $549 if you want a 256. And for those of you who's looking to get like cellular on it as well, and it's going to come out to be $749 for the starlight versions. And let's see about this one. The purple one $749, and the pink one is $779, and the space gray is $779 as well. Wow, weird. So it's better to get the starlight version, the golden color, or what color is this? Pink, purple. Okay, but for $749, you're looking about almost the price range of the iPad Pro. Okay, so I don't know. So if I were to buy it, just for like casual usage, I would stick with the regular one. Okay, so here, that's pretty much it. So if you're buying the cellular one, it does have 5G capable. So that means you can use, it'll be faster internet connections. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. You guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.